What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix RCS chats not supported. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to long tap onto your messages, then tap on this I button. Then you're going to have to select storage, clear cache, and I also recommend you to clear the data. It says all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases. If you know your credentials, select delete. Come back onto App Info page, select Force Stop, then select OK. You have to restart your device, then launch your messages and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to turn off your RCS chats. For that, open your app, tap onto your initial, select Messages Settings. Now under General, you will see RCS chats. Go ahead and open it and turn it off. After you turn it off, you're going to have to restart your device again, turn it back on, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.